When you ask, you do not receive, because you ask with wrong motives, that you may spend what you get on your pleasure. James 4:3. Sometimes when I ask God for something and I know why I'm asking it, He knows me a lot better than I know myself. Maybe that's why sometimes we don't get everything that we want, because God knows us a lot better than we know ourselves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a wash day. And these are the stuff I'm going to be using. Je vais laver mes cheveux aujourd'hui et je vais vous montrer les produits que je vais utiliser. So, yeah, I'm going to be using mayonnaise, olive oil, eggs, and avocado. J'ai utilisé mayonnaise, les œufs, l'huile, avocat avec, yeah, c'est tout. And I'm going to be using this blender right here. I'm going to process everything and blend everything here. Here, I'm going to be using my avocado first. Whoop, don't use a seed. That's not going to blend, sis. So I'm just going to squeeze my avocado. Depending on how thick your hair is, you can use two. Right now, my hair is not as thick, so I just use one whole avocado. And I'm going to use that on my hair. Well, yeah, that's what you're watching. Next, I'm going to use my mayonnaise. Je vais mettre mon avocat avec aussi la mayonnaise. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, a whole tablespoon of mayonnaise. And then I'm going to go in with my olive oil. I use 3 tablespoons of oil. Je sais pas comment je peux expliquer ça en français, mais si tu regardes, ça s'explique ça même. Je sais. Après ça, je vais prendre la machine là, je vais mélanger tout. I'm going to use a processor and I'm going to blend everything. I feel like processors blend everything really well. So yeah, I'm going to process everything through this processor. Get it? Because it's a processor. No, cool. So I'm going to put everything inside this plastic cup. I know some of you guys are anti-plastic nowadays. Well, for me, I'm still using plastic, so I'm sorry. Leftovers, what I like to do, I put water in it. Je mélange les autres avec les restes avec de l'eau, and I'm going to put water in there just to add, you know, that leftover. And this is how it's going to look like. Ça va se voir comme ça. Ça se voir comme a smoothie, like a smoothie. So now I'm going to take this hair and we're going to do something with it. This is a crochet. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to leave the link down below so you can check it out. I'm not cutting my hair, y'all. Je coupe pas mes cheveux, c'est des crochets. I am using... This is just a crochet, okay? It looks very natural, and I love this crochet. It was sent to me by the Man Concept. Compagnie, ça s'appelle Man Concept. Ils m'avaient envoyé ça. Je vais laisser les links en bas là pour que tu regardes. J'ai parlé de cette cheveux ici. So yeah, I'm just going to cut it, and I'm going to come back. And yeah, we're just going to come back. The struggle was real. So now I'm going to take my water that has conditioner in it, and I'm just gonna, you know, spray some on my hair. L'eau là, il y en a les conditions dedans, produits dedans. J'ai utilisé ça. And the most important part, I get my nails done, so I don't like to touch stuff with my nails because these nails, baby, they carry germs. So I'm gonna wear a glove to do this. So I'm gonna put on my gloves. Okay, je vais mettre les gants parce que les ongles c'est pas bien pour que j'utilise comme ça. And I'm gonna separate my hair, and I'm just gonna, you know, keep combing with my water. I don't like to detangle without water. If you detangle without water, you end up having split ends. Si tu fais ça sans de l'eau, ça va te faire, ça va démanger, comment on dit ça? Suke ko beba, okay? Suke ko beba, mama. Yes. So yeah, so we're just gonna comb through. We got the afro popping, got our little Angela Davis popping, and next we're just gonna show you what's next. So without the rice water, this is how my hair, this is the length of my hair. So you guys, you gotta remember that. Actually, I gotta be the one to remember that. Some of y'all won't even remember it. So this is my first time using rice water. I'm gonna explain to you guys in the middle of the video. Throughout the video, I will come back and talk to you guys about it. So yeah. Now I'm going to get this pudding right here, and I'm going to put it on my hair. I like to focus on my ends a lot more than my roots. So right now, if you are new to my channel, on my Instagram, follow me on my Instagram, y'all. I spoke about box braids. I had box braids for about 3 months. Normally you're supposed to keep box braids for at least 1 to 2 months. And I kept my box braids longer than 2 months, and I lost some hair in the front because the braids fell out and like my hair twisted and like a whole chunk of my hair came off. So I'm doing this rice water, yeah, challenge for a reason. I'm trying to grow my hair out. J'ai dit que j'avais porté les mèches pour 3 mois. Tu peux pas laisser tes mèches pour rester dans ta tête pour 3 mois. Les mèches, il faut que ça reste seulement pour 1 ou 2 mois. Moi, j'avais laissé ça pour 3 mois. Ça m'a fait couper les cheveux. C'est pour ça que j'ai tenté non, bon, ça sous qui peut coller là-dessus, okay? So yeah, with the avocado, I put it everywhere. So this is how it looks like. It looks like a relax, moment when I used to relax my hair. It's really beneficial. Ça aide pour faire grandir tes cheveux. Si tu veux faire grandir tes cheveux, ce traitement ici, ça va vraiment t'aider. If you want to grow your hair, this treatment will really help you. So yeah, that's basically what I do. The rest of it is self-explanatory, so just watch. Okay, so I haven't been talking this whole video because I've been doing more of a voiceover, but now I'm back. I feel like something with avocado does something to my curls. Like, I can't find a product that does my curls justice like avocado. I don't know. Something about avocado that my hair loves. I need to find a product with avocado in it because my curls just come to life with avocado. So today I'm gonna co-wash. I'm not doing a shampoo today. I don't like to do shampoos all the time because it streaks my hair. It makes my hair very dry, and the fact that I took the braids out, my hair already felt dry. So I'm just gonna deep condition today. So I'm gonna use my mane and tail conditioner, and then after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in and use my use my Mane Choice green tea and carrot deep straightening restore. Okay, you get it. My Mane Choice conditioner. This is more like of a hair mask. Of course, I did a hair mask. I'm gonna go in and do another hair mask because sis, we're trying to grow our hair out. So j'ai utilisé mon conditioner avec aussi je vais rajouter ça. On va laisser ça ici pour I think it's like 3 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah. Cover your hair into a plastic cup for 15 minutes. I'm going to do this in front of the camera. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to take a shower because I haven't showered all day. So we'll be back. Okay. So I'm just going to use my t-shirt to dry my hair. I get asked all the time, how can I get my hair texture to look like yours? The answer to that, I don't know. I mean, mine is just genetic. My sister and I, we have 2 different hair textures. Hers is thick. Mine is soft and just loose curls. Hers is thick and really tight curls. What I'm trying to do with my hair is I'm trying to get my hair thick. There's a difference between having long hair and thick hair. I want thick hair. My hair is not thick. So we're in the process of getting thick hair. And after I do this hair mask, I'm also doing the rice water treatment. That is a whole different video. I'm going to do my progress in the different videos so you guys can see it. My sister, she's been doing rice water treatment and her hair looks beautiful. So I was like, oh my gosh, let me get on the hype and see what rice water treatment is or what it does. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So right now I'm gonna leave this hair mask in for a couple minutes. It says up to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna do a final wash, which is just rinse this out, no shampoo, nothing, and then I'm gonna add my rice water to end everything, just to make everything look good. When you do this, you gotta pray. You see them though? You gotta pray. Jesus, please let my hair get longer. Jesus, please touch my hair. Jesus, please, I want long hair. Long hair in the making in the name of Jesus. Holy Spirit, please. You gotta pray when you do this, okay? I want long hair. I want thick and long curls. So now I'm gonna get this, and I'm just and get a little bit of this and just put it on my edges. That's another key to healthy long edges. Get a bag. I whip my hair back and forth. Okay, sorry. Get a bag and tie it, leave it in for about 15 minutes. Don't be an airhead. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put my timer, click start, and the clock begins. Dun, dun, dun. And then we just chill for 15 minutes. This rice water stank. Okay. You don't want to spill this in your room or in the bathroom because it's the most disgusting smell in thy world. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, let's go wash this off. And we're gonna put some rice water in it. The smartest thing to do is to take out the rice. That's gonna be a whole different video, but I'm gonna come back and yeah. I'm back. So I washed my hair. Step one, I rinsed out my my mask, the Mane Choice mask. And you see what I'm talking about? Like, I lost hair. I lost a lot of hair in the front. So yeah, I went in, I washed out the hair mask, and then I washed my hair with the rice water. Now, inside of this water bottle right there, that spray bottle, was the leftover of the rice water inside of that vase that I had the rice water in. I used that spray bottle. I emptied out the water that I had before, and I put my rice water inside of the spray bottle. J'ai enlevé de l'eau que j'avais dans cette bouteille-là. J'ai remplacé ça avec du riz de l'eau. So yeah. So after that, I just sprayed the bottle. I sprayed my hair with the rice water again because I rinsed it out. I did my last rinse with the rice water when I did the hair mask rinse. So yeah, that's what I did. I went back in, I replaced the bottle with the rice water. So this is what I'm doing right now with the rice water. It stinks. Oh, ça pue vraiment. Ça pue terrible. It smells really bad, but it has a lot of benefits to it. So what I did was I didn't rinse this rice water out because you could also sleep with it. So I left the rice water in my hair, just the way it is. J'ai pas rincé, j'ai laissé ça seulement comme ça. So I sprayed my hair with the rice water and I just braided it up and I went to sleep. So if you want, you could leave the rice water inside of your hair, or you can choose to rinse it out. It all depends on you. Moi j'ai laissé ça. I left it inside of my hair, and the next day I did a hairstyle and I went on about my business. And I'm gonna be doing this weekly. Je vais faire ça pour 3 semaines et puis je vais filmer, je vais rentrer. I'm gonna talk to you guys. Je vais parler avec vous, je vais vous montrer le progrès. Je vais vous montrer si mes cheveux ont grandi ou bien non. So I'm gonna, come back. I'm gonna show you guys if my hair grew or not. My main focus, I'm probably gonna notice in my fronts. I want to see the growth in my fronts, meaning my edges, the hair that I lost. So yeah, that's basically what I did. Now, because this is only week 1, you don't want to keep doing this every day. Don't do this every day. On va faire ça tous les jours. Ça va pas travailler. Ça va. Oh, baby Sasuke. You won't destroy your hair if you do this every day. So just do it once a week, okay? J'ai dit en anglais, choisis seulement un jour, mets de riz de l'eau. Faut pas mettre ça tous les jours, tu vas perdre le cheveu. So yeah, I put the plastic bag on my head for like 15 minutes. J'ai mis le sachet là pour 15 minutes. I took it off when I went to bed. And this is it. J'ai enlevé ça avant que je parte dormir. C'est tout. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video.